Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a very delicious and super easy recipe of Chicken Hakka Noodles. This noodles is so delicious and you can easily make it with very few ingredients. All the ingredient list is given in the description box, please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot. And click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Now let's marinate the chicken with some salt, pepper powder and some soy sauce. Now mix everything really well and keep it aside for 1 hour. Now into a bowl, add some water, some salt and oil. Once the water starts boiling, add in the noodles. Mix them in between to get it cooked evenly. Once the noodles is cooked, strain it in a strainer, pour some cold water on top and keep it aside. Now into a pan, add some oil and fry the marinated chicken. Now once the chicken is cooked, take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Now into the same pan, add in 2 beaten eggs. Give it a mix. Now take out the cooked eggs from the pan and keep it aside. To make the noodles, you have to cut all the vegetables in juliennes like this. Into the same pan, add in ginger, garlic and saute it for a couple of seconds. Now add in all the vegetables like red capsicum, yellow capsicum, some beans and cabbage. We can add in more vegetables like green capsicum, carrots. Now add in some chopped spring onion and mix it. Add the sauces like soy sauce, red chili sauce, some vinegar, pepper powder and some salt. Now mix everything really well. Now add in the fried chicken, egg and the cooked noodles. Now give everything a good toss. Now our noodles is ready. Sprinkle some spring onion and you can serve it and enjoy it. This recipe is super easy to make. Once all the ingredients are ready, you just need a couple of minutes to make it. So definitely try this beautiful recipe at home and leave me a comment if you like it. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can watch more interesting recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Thank you.